Hi and welcome to Bake It Up. This is Lorena, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make Belgian waffles. A perfect breakfast ready in just a few minutes. Sweet or savory, you can make those waffles in advance to enjoy it anytime with your favorite topping. Okay, let's get started. The recipe is available in the description below, and let's start by adding a little bit of sugar to our strawberries. Add some lemon to get that beautiful juice out of the strawberries. Give it a stir and set aside. And let's take care of the dry ingredients that are flour, baking powder and sugar. Give it a stir. Add a little bit of cinnamon to give that extra flavor. And stir to make sure that all the ingredients are fully combined. Set the dry ingredients aside, and now we are going to add to the yolks the buttermilk. Give it a whisk. Add some unsalted melted butter and set the egg mixture aside. And let's take care of the egg whites. Just whip them for a few seconds, and then we are going to add the sugar, a little bit at the time, about 1 tablespoon at the time, until the egg whites reach a stiff peak and look nice and glossy. It will take about a couple of minutes. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. There are workshops live and videos every week. Here is the 3rd tablespoon. Just whip them a little bit longer. And here you have that beautiful peak. Set the egg whites aside. Just add a little bit of salt to the dry ingredients. And add the egg mixture. Mix all the ingredients together. Make sure you don't overmix. And now add a little bit of egg whites to the butter. Mix them well. Now add all the egg whites. And then mix until or whisk until fully combined. Place a plastic wrap on top of the bowl and place the butter in the refrigerator for about 10-15 minutes. Now let's take care of the topping. We need heavy cream, sour cream or yogurt, sugar and a little bit of vanilla that we are going to add to our whipped cream. Add some sugar and whip your cream until it reaches a stiff peak. Place it in a bigger bowl because we have to add the yogurt or the sour cream. Give it a stir. And now whip it again until it reaches the perfect consistency for the topping. Make sure that your waffle maker is hot and ready. Take the butter out of the refrigerator, spray with some non-stick spray, and add the butter. Now just cook for 7 minutes. They are ready when you don't see any steam coming out from the machine. Once they are ready, place them on a cookie rack, and this way they are not going to get soggy. And here we have it to be plated with some strawberries on top. Put that beautiful juice on top of the strawberries. Scoop some cream on top. You can use any fruit you like to do some decoration. And to make those waffles beautiful. A little bit of chocolate on top. And here you have it, Belgian waffles to perfection. Hope you like this class. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.